These successful 200 and 100-year right now, that's World War II. Right, available right after the reenactment. So you can go for a ride. Right about 4 to 4:15, we can take it back up again and go for a ride. About 3